Hey guys, I got this 1928 Gilbert Mantel Clock, and just coming up on 100 years old. I bought it in an estate sale, got it back running, and been, I don't know, over a year. Well, there's the mechanics of it, so I kept that, and people was talking about hurting the value of it if I went quartz. So what I did, I went on eBay and got this quartz repair kit, and I didn't drill any holes, I didn't alter anything, and I mounted it straight up to the face of the clock. So if anybody wanted to take it years down the road, then all they'd have to do is unscrew it, rebuild the mechanics, and everything's good. So if you have a mantel clock and you don't want to spend several $100s on rebuilding the mechanics of it, because this clock in reality would probably only bring a couple $100, maybe more, but it wouldn't bring enough money to even pay for the repair. So it being a mantel clock, it's dark, so you can't see the winding mechanisms. I couldn't see it before, can't see it now. Keeps good time and you're good to go. So it's a $10 fix. I'll put the link in the description if I can. And like I say, it works good with a mantel clock if you've got a clock with glasses and all to show off the mechanisms. I mean, you can see that, but a quick fix like this for $10, like I say, keep everything intact and nothing's altered, and it's still, you're not hurting the value. So a 1928 Gilbert with an oval face. Let me know if you happen to have one of these. I've not seen a picture of another one. Bye guys.